Down below, under the pool, is the cinema. Completely soundproofed, completely removed from the world. It is where my friends and I have been watching movies, playing video games, and right behind me here, you're seeing 2 of the first speakers. In front of me are 3 more speakers, and underneath the platform you're standing on, hidden away, are 2 subwoofers. When you're pod racing with Anakin in Star Wars, you feel the crash. When you're watching Saving Private Ryan and there's a grenade thrown, you can feel the explosion, and you can even feel where it's at, if it was on the left side or the right side. To make this cinema truly premium, I invested in this 4K 4-movie projector. It's actually a throw projector, so it projects upward and it illuminates this entire 120-inch Elite screen, Pro AV screen. I mean, this thing is a monster.